Let us begin with the topic given on page number 1 of our textbook, ratio of areas of two triangle. I have already explained the ratio, the meaning of the word ratio again in 9th standard we have studied, but just to recall, ratio, suppose a number m is in ratio with n. If the numbers are say 15 and 20 for example, then the factors of 15 are 3 into 5 and factors of 20 are 4 into 5. Here 5 is a common factor, so we can cancel 5 ones are 5 and we get 3 upon 4. A number in ratio, every number which are in ratio, there is one common factor. And that common factor we can consider it as x. So, if m and n are the sides of triangle, if m and n are any two sides of a triangle, suppose this side is 3x and the other side is 4x. That doesn't mean this side is 3 centimeter or the other side is 4 centimeter. It means that 3 is multiplied by some number and 4 is also multiplied by the same common number. That is the meaning of the word ratio. Now just to recap proportion, to explain the meaning of the word proportion, when we make 1 cup of tea, we will put 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. But when you make 5 cups of tea, then we will put 5 teaspoon of tea leaves in proportion to what we are making. For 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of tea leaves. For 5 cups, 5 teaspoon of tea leaves. That is the meaning of the word proportion. So you are clear with the word ratio and proportion. So we can go to the topic of ratio of areas of two triangles. In this figure, triangle ABC is given and triangle PQR is given. AD is the height of ABC and PS is the height of PQR. So, the area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is half of base, BC is the base of, into height AD. Area of triangle ABC is half into base BC into height AD. Similarly, area of triangle PQR will be half of the base multiplied by height. Base is QR and height is QS. Now in this we have half is common to both. So we cancel half and we get the formula, a general formula, that when we are finding the area of ratio of areas of triangle is equal to base into height upon base into height. Now let's see condition 1. So here we have studied that A1 upon A2. A1 is suppose area of first triangle and A2 is the area of the second triangle. Then half got cancelled. So area of one triangle upon the area of the other triangle is equal to base of one triangle multiplied by height of one triangle upon the base of the second triangle multiplied by the height of the second triangle. Now here we have conditions. The condition 1 is triangles with same height. If the two triangles have same height. Now when the two triangles can have same height? When they can have same height? When the two triangles lie in between parallel lines. If we have this line L parallel to line M, you can connect it or you can compare it with the two railway tracks. The distance between the two railway track is always same. Therefore, the distance between the two parallel line is always same because the definition says that common If XY is perpendicular here, then AD is also perpendicular to the parallel line. So the same lines will be parallel when they have common perpendiculars. The distance between the parallel lines throughout the line remains the same. Let us consider triangle X, Y and Z. We drop a perpendicular from X to the base. Let XV be the perpendicular height and let AD be the perpendicular height of triangle ABC. In XYZ, the base is YZ, and in the triangle ABC, the base is BC. So, here the two triangles have same height. Let H be the common height. Here, if you measure, it is 2.5 centimeter, and here also AD is also 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, XY is 2.5 centimeter and AD is also 2.5 centimeter. Therefore, XY is equal to AD. Height of both the triangle is equal. XY is equal to AD. So, for when the triangles have same height, the triangles between two parallel lines, line L parallel to M, have same height. Example of railway track. Second condition, when the two triangles have same or common height. When the triangles have common vertex, height is the same. See this triangle PQR. In this triangle we have PQS, this is one triangle. PS and R, this is the second triangle. Both the triangles have a common vertex P. If I drop a perpendicular from P to T, triangle PQS, which is an obtuse angle here, has height PT outside it. Obtuse angle always have their height outside the triangle because angle PSQ is more than 90 degree. So PT is the height of the triangle PQS. Now in triangle PSR, height of the triangle is PT. So both the triangle PQS and PSR have the same height, common height, because of this common vertex. Their starting point is P, a common vertex they have common. Therefore, PT is height of triangle PQS and PT is height of triangle PSR. So, if we substitute it in the formula, then we get A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 into H1 upon B2 into H2. This is a formula for ratio of areas of two triangles. Now in this case both the height is equal. So we cancel the height and we get B1 upon B2. Therefore for condition 1 the formula is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2. Why? Because heights are same. Because the heights are same, they get cancelled. Now in condition